Oh, okay.
We're gonna attempt to catch one of them. I don't think this duck knows what's about to hit him.
Poor guy. Oh my god.
First try.
Whoa, what's his name?
This is Alberto. I named him after Berto, my homie from Guatemala, the bus driver. Berto, habla inglés, sí? Alright. He was too easy. I gotta go.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta get one of these. Oh my gosh.
No, not him. No. Oh.
Alrighty. On to the next enclosure. Let's go.
Okay, so we're with our next animals. We have some donkeys.
Buen niño. Aquí.
Stop. You're so...
That's just me and my homie. Well, yeah, aren't you a little freaky? What are you doing? Big back, bruh. Y'all are some big backs. Always eating.
So small. Come in.
Yeah. Este es muy divertido. Gracioso.
Sí, divertido, gracioso.
Hola. Okay, show me how. You do it and show me how.
Okay, aquí.
Aquí.
Dale, más allí.
Oh, wow. Baby.
I just milked a goat.
Oh, the baby goat.
What?
Oh my gosh, she's so soft.